Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. This is just really good result for the fingerprint unlock method. And for example, just if you want to unlock the device, we can see that we should hold for a while the sensor to unlock the device, because if you will just simply touch it, you have no chance to do that. So just hold a little bit the scanner here and you'll successfully activate your device. You will unlock it. So I suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than the pattern or pin code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.